Hi, today we're going to teach you on how to delete OneDrive from your PC. Before we start, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now let's begin. On your desktop, go search file. Go s- on your desktop, simply search File Explorer, and from there we're going to our local disk C, and from here we're going to press on Users. In my PC, it is named as this, but in most PCs, or especially in your PC, it might be labeled or it might be named as admin. From here, going to press on it and go to OneDrive. And as you can see here, there are multiple files here. So we're going to simply Control A, Control C, and we're going to paste it in our desktop. And after that, we're going to move on over to Control Panel or in Settings. Gonna move over to Settings, and from there, we're going to press on Apps. And from here, we're going to simply search for OneDrive, Microsoft OneDrive. And from there, we're going to simply press uninstall. And Microsoft OneDrive will be uninstalled from your computer. I hope this video helps. Thank you so much for watching.